my channel, Lizzie Wise. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw this mandala drawing. So as you can see, there it is. Oh, I don't really know if you can see. There we go, now you can see it. Yeah, I drew this all by myself and I'm going to be showing you how. Without the drawn lines right there. I'm just going to be showing you how to draw without the show of the line. Now I'm going to be getting started. So I'm going to be showing you what materials you'll be needing. Right here I have. So here I have some crayons. I don't really, you can't really see, but these are crayons. This is a piece of paper. You'll be needing a piece of paper, a notebook. So if you're using a Sharpie, and you also need a Sharpie or a black marker. If you're using Sharpie, you'll need a notebook under it because then it won't bleed through the table or won't get on the table. So now, and then you'll need some scissors, and then you'll need a pencil and an eraser. Pencil and eraser. So let's get started. So first, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making a square piece of paper just like this, a square piece of paper. So you're going to take this corner and fold it like this. So it will be a triangle, like that, just like that. And then you're going to be creasing it. And it should look like this, a triangle. A triangle, there we go. I don't know if you can see, there you go, a triangle. Okay, and then you're gonna be cutting this edge part because you don't need this part. So we're gonna be taking our big ginormous scissors and cutting it. Just like this. There we go, just like that, we got a triangle. Now we're gonna be opening it, and it's a square piece of paper. And then now we're gonna be turning it right there, like this, so it's like this. And then we're gonna be folding this edge, this end to this end, like this. And then put the finger in the middle and crease, just like that. And then we're going to be creating a plus. So now it's a plus here. And then we're going to be flipping it like this and folding it hamburger style. If you don't know what that is, you fold it forwards just like that. Just like this. And then put the finger in the middle and then crease. Now you're going to be turning it just this way and then also doing a hamburger fold. Again, I'm going to be showing you fold it forward. Try to make it just right so it'll fit both, and then crease. Okay, now you should have this, a plus and an X. Okay, now let's draw our mandala. So we're gonna be taking a pencil and drawing any design you want. So first I like to start with a basic circle. So with using these lines we have here, we're gonna try to make it look as neat as possible. And at the end, it should look so symmetrical. So this is it right now. And then we're going to be making a little flower layer around it. So I'm just gonna be making these little petals like this. So it looks like just like a flower. Just like that. And then we're gonna be drawing a layer that's like going like kind of like a heart like this. And then we're doing it another time. Just like this. So just like this, I know it kind of looks strange. So I'll kind of fix it like that. Okay, I'll try to fix it. So that's it for now, and I'm gonna keep drawing it, and then I'll show you it. So now we're gonna be tracing it with Sharpie. So this is where your notebook comes in handy when you're tracing. So I'm gonna finish the rest of the drawing, and then I'll see you guys when I'm finished. Bye. Alright guys, I'm back and I didn't finish it, but I just want to put out a little thing, a helpful tip to make it. So this is my drawing right now. I fixed the heart drawing and I just drew bigger petals. And so when you're done with the Sharpie, you want to erase the pencil mark so it looks like you didn't use pencil, but you did. You know what I mean? So this is my flower right now, and so I just wanted to say that just to help you, because it looks like I didn't use pencil for this one, does it? Right? It doesn't look like I used it, but I did. So, yeah, I just wanted to point that out, and I fixed my design. So I'm going to keep doing it, and then I'll see you guys after. Bye. I hope this tip was helpful. Alright guys, I'm back and this is my drawing right now. And yeah, I finished it. It's not as good as this drawing. It's not as good as this drawing. And this was also my second time doing it. It's not as good as these drawings, but it's still pretty good. So now I'm going to be coloring. I already colored a part like this. So now I'm going to be coloring this part. I actually don't know what color I should color. Maybe I think I'm gonna color this light green color. Really cool. And yeah, that's all I'm gonna color. That's what I'm gonna color. Do. So yeah, it was super easy just making it, and you basically just draw patterns, and then that's basically just a mandala, as long as it's more flowery patterns than any other patterns. I don't really think you know what I mean, but yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Okay, now I'm gonna be coloring these little spikes. This red color, red orangey color. So, this one's a very vibrant one. I'm gonna say that because it's a green, because it looks like a lot vibrant, and that's nice to me. I like a vibrant mandala. So how I found out about mandalas is my friend. She basically told me about mandalas. And so I looked it up. She sent me a picture, and then I was like, oh, wow. And then in my art class, we had to draw one. And this guy, he has a YouTube channel too, I think. And he taught me how he basically, in his video, he wrote a name on one of the sides, and then he folded it and rubbed it with the Sharpie. And then the name came on that side. It was really cool, but I wanted to do a flower mandala, so yeah, that's how I did it, and I just did it, and I'm proud of myself. Okay, so I'm gonna make these petals yellow. This yellow, one second, let me find the yellow. Okay. I think I'm gonna use marker for this one, so I'm gonna use this. No, actually, I found a crayon. Never mind. Here's the crayon. Here's the crayon, a yellow crayon, and I'm gonna be coloring these big white spots right here. That yellow. And yeah. So I'm gonna continue, and I'll see you guys after when I'm done with the whole thing. Bye. Alright guys, I'm done coloring my drawing. It's beautiful, and the background is gray. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it's gray, and this is my drawing, and so that's how to draw mandala. So this is my third one, This is my second one that I drew yesterday. And this is the first one I drew. That was yesterday too. So yeah, those are all three of my mandala drawings. I think this one's the best, and this one's the second best, and this one's the last best. But they're all super good and super creative. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video, and so you don't miss any of my videos. Alright guys, bye! Hope you enjoy watching me make a mandala, and I hope you enjoy making your mandala. And yeah.